Need to blow entry in 206.
10-4.
Boeing Everett, Boeing 268, 6 on board, starting at about 5 out the north gate.
Boeing 268, Boeing Everett, copy. 5, starting 5, and 6 on board, out the north gate.
And Everett 268, change of plans, will be going out the south gate.
And 268, south gate.
Okay, flaps clear, they're coming down.
Boeing Everett, everything 461.
461, Boeing Everett, go ahead.
Hi there, about 30 minutes out, Dreamlifter, and no cargo, and 91,000 pounds of fuel, 2 souls. Be on the ground about 30 minutes.
Roger, copy that. See you on the ground.
See ya.
Boeing Everett, this is TM2 for radio check.
TM2, Boeing Everett, you're loud and clear, 123321.
Okay, thanks for your help. And TM Van and Everett, do you copy TM2?